Now let's convert 0.0001 to percentage. Solution. In this case, we have 0.0001 over 1. Now we multiply that by 10,000. And this will bring us to 1 over 10,000, which we will then multiply by 100 to bring it to percentage. 100 here, 1. 100 here, 100. You can easily do that by just cancelling the zeros. Since 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, leaving you with 100. That is what we have here is 1 over 100%. Now let's move our decimal point 2 places to the left. That is when you have the number 1. If you move the decimal point 2 places, we have 1, 2. What we will arrive at is, when we fill this with 0, is 0.01%. So 0.0001 to percentage would give us 0.01%. This is how we convert numbers from decimal form to percentage. Thank you.